The king penguin, the gentoo penguin, and the chinstrap penguin live together at the Central Park Zoo, just as they do in the subantarctic islands and the Arctic Peninsula. The king penguins are large and round, with slightly yellow chests and heads. The gentoo and chinstraps are both smaller, and the gentoo has an orange beak while the chinstrap has a black beak. These three penguin species have a lot in common, like their mostly black and white fur, their fat, waddling bodies, and their inability to fly. But they are also very different. They have common ancestors, but have since evolved differently, largely due to sympatric speciation, which is reproductive isolation despite no physical barrier. Although the different species live largely in the same regions, they rarely come into contact with each other, and never mate with each other. As a result of their slight separations, the different species, there are 17 in the world, have developed different behaviors and lifestyles. For example, the gentoo penguins stay with their mates year-round, while the chinstrap and king penguins do not.
Here we see four kinds of poison dart frogs: a blue poison dart frog, the green banded poison dart frog, the red or dolce poison dart frog, and the yellow banded poison dart frog. These frogs, which came from a common ancestor, have evolved into different breeds due to sympatric speciation. This is a form of reproductive isolation between populations despite the absence of a physical barrier. While according to a specialist at the zoo, it's possible for two different breeds to mate, it has never happened before at the Central Park Zoo, and these different breeds rarely interact. Here, we see two kinds of macaws, the blue and gold macaw and the green-winged macaw. While they are different species, they can breed with one another, and while this rarely happens in the wild, it does happen in captivity. Unlike many hybrids such as the liger and the growler bear, macaw hybrids are viable creatures and do not have especially high mortality rates.